So you just installed Triggerly to start tracking your inventory, deliveries, and status updates using dynamic QR codes. Let's see how we can set up a simple automation. So, once you install the app, click on Use App, select a workspace and a board to install Triggerly, and add the app to that board. After we added the app, we are presented with lots of ready-made templates made by Triggerly, ready to use by just clicking on them and configuring them. Let's use one of them. So this one says, when a new item is created, generate a QR code and save it here. When QR code is triggered, enable updating values here. So let's select this template. And now we'll have to configure the automation template. We'll need to select a file column here, and we'll have to select a number column here. And we just click on Create Automation. And that is all we need to do. A webhook is created, and an automation is created. So now when we add any new item to the board, we'll see that an automation starts running, and in a couple of seconds, we'll get a QR code on our board in this file column, which we can scan using our mobile phones and just use it to update value. So now I'll be scanning this using my mobile phone and update the values. And that value will be reflected on the Monday.com board. This is the QR code that was generated using the app. And now we can scan it using any QR code scanner that we have on our phone, and then it gives us a field where we can update the value. So let's put 100 here and click Update. And this value will be updated successfully. It will reflect on the Monday.com board. So let's check that out. We scan the QR code from mobile phone. After scanning it, and as you can see, the value has been reflected here and updated automatically as 100. So similarly, we can add any other item. So let's say we add a second item, and wait a couple of seconds, we get another QR code, which we can scan similarly, and update the value, which will be reflected in this column as configured. And you can use other automation that are available. You can access them by searching Triggerly in the templates, and you'll get access to all the templates. Thank you for watching.